A lovely meal of garlic butter shrimp, garlic butter green beans, macaroni and cheese, orange baked chicken, and corn. Beautiful for a Sunday dinner, family gathering, holiday meal, or whenever you choose. Come over to my kitchen to learn how to make this beautiful meal. First, we are going to start off with our orange baked chicken. For this, we will need a special blend of season to bring out the best flavor in this baked chicken. Here we have some sweet soy sauce, that's about 2 tablespoons. We have half cup of orange juice, freshly squeezed orange juice. And here we have about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. We are going to add, that's about 1/4 cup to half cup of onion. We have a nice piece of Scotch bonnet pepper going there. That is for the people who love a little spice. And here we have about 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 2 teaspoons of orange zest. That's about 5 to 6 chopped garlic. We are doing a nice combination here. This is going to bring out the best flavor in your chicken. Blended season do a very good job of seasoning your chicken fast, marinate your chicken fast, I mean. So there we also had some powder season of all-purpose season, about 2 tablespoons. We add about a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of dried rosemary, and about half teaspoon of black pepper. And here we have a nice blended mixture. Look at this mixture, looking so smooth, look like a sauce that is already cooked. So we are pouring this sauce on we have 6 nice chicken leg and thigh that is already washed. Prepare well to season and bake. So here you see we also have a nice looking flavor color already. And this chicken came out so delicious. If you have never tried orange chicken, guys, please do so. Really delicious. So we are going to cover this with some foil paper and leave marinate for at least an hour. Then we are going to insert it into the oven. About 45 minutes later, we are going to remove the foil paper. Why I added to the oven with the foil paper is for it to bake, keep the moist of the chicken. So once removed, we add it back to the oven, and about half an hour later, we remove it again, and here we are basting the chicken to keep it moist. And we are going to insert it back to the oven for a next half an hour. And here we have a lovely, beautiful color, nice chicken. And here we have extra sauce. So what I did, I pour it out, leave it simmer down until the amount I want. First, you will need a pot with enough water to cook about 450 grams of macaroni. To flavor your pot, you will need some seasoned bouillon, or you can just go ahead and use some salt. But I prefer to use seasoned bouillon because it gives more flavor. So once the water comes to a boil, you are going to add your macaroni. Stir macaroni about 2 to 3 times during the cooking process to avoid any sticking of the macaroni together. You are going to allow the macaroni to cook for about 8 minutes. Once cooked, we are going to strain and set aside. We are going to make a creamy mixture. For this mixture, you will need 1 egg that you are going to mix well. To this mixture, I am going to add about half a cup of evaporated milk. I choose to use evaporated milk because I love the texture and the flavor, but you can choose whatever milk you preferred. Once the creamy mixture is done, we are going to set it aside and go on to saute our onion and garlic. So here we have about a tablespoon of butter. To this we are going to add about 3 large garlic that is finely minced. And we are going to add about 1/4 cup of onion. And we are going to allow this to saute for about 3 minutes on medium low, or until you notice you are getting a light brown color. If you like this video, hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload. Once you have a nice light brown color, you are going to go ahead and pour the creamy mixture. Mix well. At this time, we are going to turn the stove off. The measurement I use for this recipe will be listed in the description box below. At this time, you are going to go right ahead and add the macaroni and give it a nice mix. If you notice here, I don't have a lot of milk. I don't like my macaroni and cheese to be too moisty. So if you like your macaroni and cheese moisty, you can go right ahead and add an extra ½ cup of milk. So here I'm adding salt to taste and some black pepper to give it a nice boost. The combination of the garlic, the onion, and the black pepper, wow, it have the macaroni taste so nice right here, and I didn't even add the cheese yet. For this macaroni and cheese, I am using a Mexican style for 4 different kind of cheese blended. In this mixture, we have cheddar, Monterey Jack, asadero, queso blanco. But you can choose whatever cheese you like. This is just a mixture that I see, they're all shredded, so I decided to use it. There are different ways to make macaroni and cheese. Some people will melt their cheese in the sauce, mix their macaroni, and add cheese later. For me, I'm doing it different. As you can see here, I'm adding layers of macaroni, layer of cheese. This method also work well. You are going to have a nice cheesy macaroni as well. Once we have prepared our macaroni and cheese, we are going to insert it into a oven that is preheated and allowed to bake for about 25 to 30 minutes on 210 degrees Celsius. For our garlic butter shrimp, we need about 16 small shrimps that is already clean and deveined. We are going to season with all-purpose powder, paprika, and black pepper. And we are going to mix this up. Make sure every little baby shrimp is coated well. And you can marinate it for about 15 minutes to an half an hour, or you can go right ahead and start to make your garlic butter shrimp. To make your homemade garlic butter, you are going to need some butter and fresh minced garlic. This is so refreshing to make your own homemade garlic butter. Now we're going to leave this saute for about a minute to relieve this nice garlic aroma that is going to make those shrimp so flavorful. Then we are going to add the shrimp, and we are going to allow the shrimp to cook for about a minute and a half on each side. So there I add some extra butter to make sure these shrimp are buttery and garlicky. Delicious. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload. And a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Add corn to boiling water, and about 4 minutes later we are going to add some frozen green beans. Follow the instruction on the package of your corn. Mine said the corn should boil for about 4 to 8 minutes. So here we are making our homemade garlic butter. We need about a tablespoon of butter with about 2 minced garlic. And we are going to allow this to saute to release that lovely garlic aroma and flavor. So here we are going to add green beans. We are going to flavor this green bean with about 1/4 cube of seasoned bouillon. This is to give it a salty flavor. And we are going to give this a nice stir. And our green beans is done. We don't want to overcook our green beans. So here we have come to the final result of our lovely orange baked chicken. Oh boy, this chicken came out so lovely. Our corn, our garlic flavored green beans, our delicious flavorful garlic butter shrimp, and over here we have our lovely gooey macaroni and cheese. Ladies and gentlemen, this meal really came out nice. I enjoy every bit of this meal. Look at that nice piece of chicken. Here I'm serving up a dish. You notice I'm having just a small amount of macaroni and cheese, because guys, macaroni and cheese is tasty, but it's very high in fat. So we don't want to indulge too much, and you want to balance your macaroni and cheese dish with enough vegetable. Like here I have my corn, my green beans. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below and let me know what's your favorite on this plate right here. Don't forget to share this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye until next time. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and stay tuned for more lovely recipe just like this. And you can check out my channel. There is so much more here.